In this time of pandemic, work immersion has helped me to become more responsible in everything I do. Not just in home, but also the learnings can be applied in the future in my workplace. I think other senior high school students should go to Creo Tech work immersion to become their better selves. This immersion will make them realize that they are not kids anymore. This work immersion will make them be prepared in an actual workplace. The specific changes in my mindset is that I always set my priorities right and I became more responsible. In my attitude, I learned how to have patience in everything. And in the technical competence, I became more techy and learned about the thing I usually not know of. And this work immersion made me experience them all. Thank you.